This is an overview of my Nana's White Knight dual heat. I think it's 6 kilo, I'm not sure. 120 minutes. Stupid. That's weird, hang on. Sucks. Cheap plastic White Knight door. What do you expect? Filter. Model number CL432WV. Low heat, high heat. All the drying times, as you can see. Cotton's dry, it's 120 minutes depending on load. Cotton's damp dry, 60 to 100 minutes depending on load. Over synthetics, 20 to 40 minutes depending on load, like synthetics. Use low heat, so that's delicates. Linens, same as cottons, and polycottons, which you all know about, which you get the vent. So, and as you can see, maybe you can see the great integrated hose, which is rubbish. I don't understand, but that's basically how it gets vented in here. There is no venting. This is the garage, so it just goes anywhere.